Good morning, DIYers. I'm just sitting here drinking my coffee and enjoying another spectacular sunrise over the prairie lands of Colorado. So what's on my agenda for today? I think I'm going to devote the rest of this morning to health and physical fitness. Now don't go getting your shorts in a knot just because I use the F word, meaning fitness. Tell you what, let's go have some breakfast and we'll talk about it. Breakfast quesadilla with homemade salsa, home fries, and a fresh baked cinnamon roll to take home. How's your breakfast? So what do DIY and fitness have to do with eating a big breakfast? Well, that's just the point. I may have just consumed a whole bunch of calories, but I'm going to burn every single one of them today doing DIY jobs. That's right, I'm going to burn calories by fixing things. Tools and tool bags can be heavy, and every time you lift these things and put them back down again, you're building strength and burning calories. And the bonus about that calorie burn is that you often don't even realize you're doing it because you're so distracted by the work you're performing. And let's not ignore your emotional and psychological health. Working on things and being active releases endorphins, and endorphins make you happy, and being happy makes you live longer. Every time I fix a car and save my family a ton of money, or I work on a hobby like assembling another guitar, or building a custom fishing rod. Those kinds of things make me happy and proud, and they open the door to even more activities that help keep me off the couch and away from the TV. I mean, when was the last time you felt all warm and fuzzy about your intimate relationship with television? These clowns aren't here to make you happy, they're here to make you miserable. They want to keep you so worried that you keep tuning in to see if the world's going to explode. People like this have been trying to tell me my whole life that the world's going to explode, but I never paid any attention because I was too busy out in my garage building cool stuff. My family wasn't left out of my DIY fitness program either. When my youngest son graduated high school, he had absolutely no idea what he wanted to do with the rest of his life. So I immediately took him to the garage and put him to work on building his first car. That did it. When we were finished with the car, he knew he wanted to work with his hands, so he went to a trade school that taught aviation maintenance, and now he's a lead mechanic with SkyWest Airlines making great money. And beyond any monetary rewards, doing DIY projects with your family helps build teamwork and trust. Bonding through shared project work is one of the best ways I know of to make your family look forward to spending time together. That's right, DIY isn't just about home improvement, it's about self-improvement and about making life better and happier for you and your family. So tomorrow morning, after you've had a cup of coffee and a big breakfast, take one of these. You'll be glad you did.